everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this part of the series, in slow motion, we're going to be taking a look at enganches and ganchos.
Make sure to watch the video many times, and if you enjoy it, like it.
Now let's get to the video.
Great guys, you get to the end of the video.
Thank you very much for your support, and make sure to check out our website miriamleonardotango.com if you want to have more information.
See you on the next one.
Bye.